welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to your girl's channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming and visiting my small part of the YouTube universe. And I hope if you enjoy the content here that you consider subscribing. You know, welcome to the fam, okay? Also guys, if you do like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. So guys, let's get into it. As you can see by the title, we breaking down a little stimulus that we got from the U.S. government, and yeah, let's get into it, okay? So this is my book, my calculator, my pen. All right, so let me get the actual breakdown of how this is going to go. Wait. Oh, here it goes. Okay, so these are my category, guys. I'm doing tithing, first month's bill, and home, which they are the regular. Well, not the regular, but tithing always gets 10% of whatever income I get. So it's gonna get $60 of the $600. Then first month's bill, you guys know your girl's leaving soon, so she putting $100 towards that. You know, increases a little bit. And then for home, I'm gonna give it $40 because we need to decorate our home, buy furniture, and all that good jazz, right? So that is $200 of the $600. So up here we have $400. That's the breakdown, and this breakdown we're actually gonna do with cards. Okay, this was inspired by my girl Suns and Roses. Okay, all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. No, but I saw one of her videos where she was doing, you know, this little card thing for her extra bonus breakdown. And so I was like, oh my God, that would be a good idea. That was a horrible shuffle. But now, I saw her do it on her channel for a breakdown. And I was like, you know what? I can do that. So this was inspired by Good Sis. I'll make sure I leave her video down in the description box. Hopefully I remember, because I'll be forgetting. Oh my God. But anyways, so the jokers are in here, guys. The jokers are money that goes towards my allowance. The black and white joker, $25. Okay, she might go to Stella Rose. We don't know yet. The color joker, $50. Okay, and I won't sit. I won't sit, and I won't sit. Now I likes you and I wants you, okay? The Boondocks. That's a great TV show. That is a great TV show. But anyways, guys, let's get into the breakdown of this money, because we ain't trying to make this video too long. So every fourth card is going to be the card that's going to determine how much money goes inside each category. It's going to be face value times 5, and then that's the amount that's going to go into it. So we just finished shuffling. As you guys see, everything's in here. So let's start pulling cards and see where we end up. So the first category, which is car maintenance, it's getting $15. Okay, that's not bad. That's how we starting off. We're starting off light. All right, cool. I feels that. We can start off light. Yeah, I'm really hoping I get this joke. Okay, $10 goes towards Juneteenth. Okay, y'all know Juneteenth's coming up. Gotta support the businesses. Celebrate the holiday. Ooh, this is $60 to JAVK. Listen, baby girl, that's what we talking about, because we trying to have the spending money. Oh my gosh. Okay. So obviously I can't get that $25. But I can't be too mad, because, you know, I just got $50 towards Black Friday, which, if you know, is a girl's Christmas funding. So, like, I can't be too mad. Like, I'm a little upset I ain't got a $25, but I ain't that upset. You know what I'm saying? All right. What's next? $40 is going towards emergency fund. All right. Okay. Y'all, Stella Rose is next fine wine. Let's see how much she getting. Okay, $40. Come through then. Listen, Stella Rose about to be on it. $30 is going to first month's bill. All right, that's cute. And then let's see what's the last category get. $60. Okay. I don't know if this is all $400, but let's calculate real quick. So 15 plus 10 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40 plus 40 plus 30, 245 plus 60, 305. This is 305 so far. Plus 30 plus 60. Okay, 305. So we still got $95 to go, guys. We have $95 to go. We have one more joker out there. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna just start over the categories. Ah, damn, excuse me. And I just burped. Ew. My $50 gone, guys. Like, I won't get $50 to go to my allowance. Okay, this is, how much is this? $55. So $55 extra is going towards car maintenance. All right, that ain't bad. So we had 95 minus 55. So now we have $40 left to go. Let's see if Juneteenth's getting all 40. She getting all 40. All right, guys. So that is the end of the budgeting part of the video. Okay, cool. So these are the cards. So car maintenance got 15, Juneteenth got 10, JA Vacay got 60, 50 for Black Friday, 40 for emergency fund, 40 for Stella Rose, 30 for first month's bill, and then home got $60, and then we shuffled again, $55 for car maintenance and 40 for Juneteenth. So that was it, guys. That was how we budgeted this money. Because listen, I didn't know how I was gonna do it, and I was like, this was cute. Okay, shout out to my girl Sons and Roses for putting me on game. Okay, let's move. So I know my money moved, but now we can do our cash stuffing. Okay, hey y'all, future me here. Sorry for the breakup in the video, but there's a $400 giveaway. If you do not know about it, little baby, the description box got you, okay? Just reminding y'all, because I don't want to, have you missing out on this good, okay? So make sure you guys enter the giveaway. Everything will be down in the description box. And guys, welcome back to the cash stuffing video. Bye. So here's our breakdown. So let me get these cash envelopes, okay? And let's get into it. Y'all, I just had 2 apples and some water, and it just feels good to be refreshed. Feels great. So first cash envelope is tithing. We're gonna do 3 20s for this, which is $60. So 20, 40, 60. We're gonna do our tithes, okay? Give it to the Lord, because the Lord be blessing me, okay? What is this in here? Upcoming bills. Okay, so my back to bank, I'm gonna use as my emergency fund, because anything that goes back to bank always goes inside my emergency fund account. So that was $40. So I'm gonna put that in back to bank. Okay, gets us together. Who's next? Oh, ain't nobody next. Okay, bet. All right, let's get out of this binder and let's move into our fixed cash envelopes. And this, guys, I got from So Creations, but that's how Shamika does it on Triple M TV. So yeah, I got that from Girl. So go and check her out. I'm probably gonna leave her link down below. But we are looking for fine wine, baby. She's getting $40. Listen, me and Stella gonna be real friends together. We're gonna be real cute. Let's do a 10 and 2 5s. We're gonna be real cute together. We're gonna be here. We're gonna sip Bacardi, I could, but nah. We just gonna sip Stella Rose, okay? I'm a rich chick, okay? And that's on period. We didn't get no money for our allowance. That low-key hurts, because I really wanted that money for my allowance. Okay, I don't think nobody else getting money stuffed out of this one. So let's move into who? Y'all, did y'all watch The Grinch Just Stole Christmas and saw Whoville again? It's such a funny movie. Jim Carrey did that, okay? He did that. Even if you don't like Christmas, okay? Shout out to my girl, the Organized Millennia. Listen, Halloween is her favorite, okay, season of the year. But she says, she loves The Grinch. So, what? Shout out to you, sis. But if you watch The Grinch, like, that is such a good movie. Such a good movie. So yeah. Juneteenth is getting $50. Listen, okay. June 19th is coming up, guys. Okay. And your girls got to get ready. I'm ready and getting prepped and prepared for all the black businesses, the black excellence, the black beauties of it all. That's gonna be happening. So, you know, your girl is getting her coins right. So that was Juneteenth. Next is JA Vacay, and that gets $50. So I'm gonna do, let's do 23 10s and 2 5s. Let's do that. Let's move these back, get it together. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. Okay, JA Vacay. Listen, this one is another one that's like, you know what, we gonna get this money stacked up because we ain't play no games, okay? We trying to go to Jamaica for Christmas, and going on a holiday for Christmas ain't cheap, okay? We're gonna do $50 for Black Friday, which is your girl's birthday. Like, it's your girl's birthday. Not, I lying, but that's how it's gonna feel. But it's your girl's Christmas envelope. Black Friday is my Christmas envelope. I'm thinking 500. Once I get 500, I'll be like, all right, I'm good. But, you know, until then, that's it for those. But right now, Black Friday's in queue. I didn't know about you and your Christmas gift, but I already started on mine. And I'm excited. I don't even know what I'm gonna get, because, you know, we be changing throughout the year. I don't even know what I'm gonna get me, but whatever I get me, about to be lit, okay? Because I'm pretty sure I have over $100 already, and sus, it ain't even the 15th of January. I don't even know when I'm doing this video, when I'm posting this video. But listen, right now at recording, it ain't even the 15th of January. So she ready for Christmas for moi, or at least she getting ready. So the first one is home. Home gets $100. Home is getting $100, y'all. Wow. Let's do a 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's do it. Actually, let's do that, and then let's get 2 5s. So this should be 100 for, right? So 40 and 60 is 100. 100. 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Bet. So that's the $100, because listen, we got to decorate these apartments, okay? And the only way to do that is to got your money ready, because oof, like I said in all other videos, everybody come for your paycheck. So this is gonna be $60. Okay, I needed 40 20s and I needed 2 10s. Oh, give me a 10 and 2 5s. I'm trying to break them up, guys, because I'm not trying to use all of my thing at once, but it's okay. So this is 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Inside car maintenance. Let me see right now. Okay, bet. So that's 60 car maintenance. Let me check this off. Okay, next in here, who we got? Who got first month's bill? Which I think, I'm pretty sure I already did fine wine. Okay, so we put in 130 in first month's bill. And I'm pretty sure I already did Stella Rose. Like, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I'm lying. I got money left over. Hold on. 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. No, y'all, I did something wrong. Oh my God, I did something wrong. Hold on. Wait, this is what, 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. I did something wrong. Hold on, where's the calculator? Where is the calculator? Technical difficulties, okay, I'll 10, technical difficulties. Hold up. Let's verify this one more time, okay? One more time, because ma'am, girl, sis, what? That is 600. So somebody didn't get their monies. Somebody missing out on their monies, because this says 600 and I ain't getting no more stimulus. So 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, and I got $130 for this. Y'all, what did I mess up? Somebody tell me. I'm gonna go look it up, but y'all tell me in the comments down below what I messed up. How much did home get? Is it home? Home got what? 40, home got $100, right? 50, 70, 80, 90, 95. But yeah, that's right. Oh. Car maintenance got, oh, I gave car maintenance 60 and I should have gave it 70, 55, 60, 70. There we go. I knew it. It's $70, not 60. Whew, child, that was close, cause ma'am, sir, whatever. Ooh, child, I was about to have a low-key conniption, but we figured it out. We figured it out, so we're good. We're good. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, because, ooh, I was about to have a low-key conniption, but I made it. I made it, okay? If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. And also, if you did enjoy my little bit of the part of the YouTube universe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, guys, my name is Unique NK. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.